Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a mirror that doesn't stay in place. So you're going down the road, going down the highway, and the mirror just folds in. So I've got my new 92 W250 extended cab. This is a non-LE mirror. These convex mirrors are pretty cool too. I just picked those up at Canadian Tire and they go on the edge of the mirror. But side point, I'm going to show you how to fix the fact that the mirrors don't stay in place. First step is to come from the bottom with a T20 screwdriver and take that screw off. Once you have that screw off, fold your mirror in all the way and then push up on this, where you can gain access to the internal workings of how the mirror mounts. As you can see here, this is where the clamp is to hold onto the mirror rod itself. And then, as you can see, it looks a bit loose in there. Right now, take an 8mm socket and remove the upper and lower bolts that hold the mirror itself on. All right, now as you can see here, this is the original bushing. We'll go ahead and pull this off. It just pops right out there. All right, so you're gonna need 2 beer cans for this, or pop cans. What I've done is just taken some scissors, cut this down, and then I've cut it to fit the width of this, and then, you know, it's the full width of one regular can. And I'm just gonna wrap it around as many times as it can here, and then we'll reinstall it. All right, so full beer can didn't work. It was a bit too thick to get the mount back on, so let's try half beer can. All right, and I've got the beer can bushing in there, and then we've tightened this down. We're giving ourselves a bit of leeway here, because if I go all the way down, I literally can't move the mirror at all. So we've got a bit of a room for adjustment down the road. And now, very snug to move the mirror. So we'll button this thing back up. All right, quick test. Nice, very stiff. Not going anywhere. And moving on to the passenger side, here's before. You know, very loose. And I'll show you after. And after. Very stiff. Definitely not moving. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped, and stay tuned for some more videos. I've definitely got some more videos coming for this thing. I just picked it up about a week ago, and it's going to be the dedicated camper rig. So got a few things lined up. I definitely want to get some first gen wheels on here and just kind of get it back to the way it was stock. I might go a bit bigger on the wheels, but we'll see. These are like I think these are Toyos, but they're some old Toyos, and this truck used to be used for logging, I'm pretty sure. So these are very tough, and they make a lot of noise on the highway. But anyways, thanks for watching.